Yes, good morning again. So yesterday we talked about relation, foreign key relation, and we have seen how to create it, and also talked about delete actions. We have a concept called delete actions in Dynamics 365, which are cascade restricted and cascade restricted. None means no delete action specified. It's a normal nothing. No delete action has been specified. Cascade. Cascade means if there is if there is any related record, then that related record also will be deleted. Let's say a person, not person, customer. If a customer is deleted and all the orders related to that customer needs to be deleted, then we'll just add cascade relation between customer and orders. And restricted means if you want to delete customer, first you have to delete orders, and then only you can delete customer without deleting the orders. If you are trying to delete the customer, the system will warn you. Okay, cascade plus restricted is a different thing that needs a real understanding. Okay, let's see that in action. Okay, I have created three tables. I haven't added fields. Let me share my screen. So we have a person. Person, what does the fields contain? Just quickly create person. F2 ID. Just renaming it. ID. String name. And another field, Aadhaar. And this is the bare minimum we need. Just ID, name, and Aadhaar. ID is for the identification in the row only. The name Aadhaar. Okay, let's save this. And we have customer. Let's make this Aadhaar a primary key. So for that, I need to create an index. This is normal procedure for for the delete action to be performed. We just need a foreign key. So for Aadhaar to be a foreign key to the customer, we have to create a foreign key, primary key here. So this primary key will become a foreign key there. And index Aadhaar. Okay. Allow duplicates. No. And we'll set the primary key Primary index is Aadhaar. Done. And then customer, what do we have here? New string. Customer ID. Customer ID. Yes. Customer ID. Then foreign key is Aadhaar. Billing address. Yeah, this is the bare minimum we needed. Let's save this. Orders. Let's create some fields. New string F2 and customer ID. Customer ID. This would be a foreign key. I'll establish a relation and field new string order ID. Order ID. New integer. Order amount. Amount. Ready. Customer ID. Just created the tables. You just need to have a relationship between those tables. So person and customer. How these are linked? These are linked through foreign key relation. What is that foreign key? Aadhaar. And these are linked to foreign key relation. That is customer ID. Okay. So let's create these foreign key relationships. So where do we have? Just see this picture. This will give you quick idea about the relations as well as delete actions also. When you try to practice or try to refer this. Okay. Aadhaar. Here the customer relations. New foreign key relation. Aadhaar. Just added Aadhaar. Related table. ANJ person. They just mentioned a foreign key relationship. We also have to have a cardinality. Cardinality not specified. For each person, how many customers do we have? Exactly 0 or 1. because persons can be many. Out of those persons, only few customers exist. So related table cardinality is exactly one. So for any record ID, there will only be exactly one person. Okay, and this is the foreign key. Oh, sorry, foreign key relation. Okay, field is Aadhaar. Related field is Aadhaar. So we linked person and customer with Aadhaar. Aadhaar being foreign key for the customer from the person table. And now we'll do the similar foreign key relation between customer and orders. Orders being the related table, just creating. Okay, here also we need to create an index. Did we do that? No, no, we haven't. New index. Index is customer ID. Customer ID. Just drag it here. Allow duplicates. No. And here set the primary index as primary key index as customer ID. Saved. Orders. Let's create a new index here and drag order ID. Rename the index to order ID and allow duplicates no and set the primary key. Save. Okay, here we need to establish a foreign key relation again. New foreign key relation and name is customer ID and the related table is ANJ customer. Here we need to have cardinality set again. Relation cardinality 0 or more. Can be 0 or more. The difference between just understand the difference, guys. Here cardinality customer to person. There is 1 to 0 relationship. Persons can be persons not one second here. Persons like we can have 1, 2, 3, 4. The customer will always have either of any one customer only. So one person cannot have multiple customers, right? That is what the cardinality mentions. So where are we? The cardinality. We are setting the cardinality. Related table cardinality is exactly one. The customer. Okay. This is custom orders. Okay. cardinality, 0 or more. The customer, 0 or 1. Here, 0 or more. Each customer can have multiple orders. So that's why I mentioned as 0 or more. But whereas in the related table cardinality, for any order ID, there has to be exactly one customer ID. Exactly one. Just set the cardinality, and we have also created index here. No, we also set the primary key index. Let's give it a quick build and synchronize. Then we'll move on to the demonstration. Person, at least one non-included index must contain. Okay, ng person. There, okay. Just drag the field here into the index. Relation customer ID has no constraints defined. In the customer in the ng orders relations. Okay, just added customer ID. Need to have a relation here. Properties. This is orders table. So the related field is customer ID. Field is customer ID, and the related field is also customer ID. Texas Aadhaar. Okay, we added it and then saved it. Okay, I'm just giving it a quick build. I'm synchronizing it. Synchronization completed. So open table browser, customer table, open table browser, and what else we need? Orders, open table browser. Okay, this is person. Let's fill up some data. Aadhaar number is 123. and the ID is 0 or 1. Name is Ramesh. Save. Okay. New 2342. Name is Suresh. Save. And one more 456. Other ID is 456 and ID is 3. Name some Shankar. Or 789. The ID is 4. Name is Rahul. One more 890. ID is 5. Name is Rohit. Save. This is it. And here customers. New. As we have a foreign key relationship. This is already being shown. Billing address. Hyderabad. Customer ID is 1. New. Select the other. I'm skipping 234, just selecting the random. Billing address is Bangalore. Customer ID is 2. New 789. Other, select other and Chennai. Select the customer ID as 3 and save. Same as for the orders, create few orders. This 1, 2 would be good. Customer ID is 1. Order amount is 2000. Order amount is 2000. Order ID you can give anything. 1. Save. New. For the same customer ID, I would like to read 1000 amount order ID 2. Save. And for the second customer ID 500 rupees 3. Save. You see the data here, guys. Now we have data. Now let's see. Let's append the cascade actions to the respective tables. If you go here, first let us see the restricted. Then you'll see cascade. Okay. Now, where do you apply cascade relation? Cascade delete action. The delete action also has to be applied on here. On the related table only. So delete action I have to mention in customer only. Same way here. In the customer, just mention delete action. Where do you mention that? Here. You see in the relations, as I mentioned here, It should be on the relation only. This is relation. Relation on delete, you will see restricted. You will see the options here: none, cascade, restricted, cascade, restricted. I'm selecting restricted because I don't want to delete it before going to restriction. So you just need a build, that's it. You don't need database synchronization. This is only the Dynamics 365 application stuff. We are not making any database changes. So I applied restrict delete action on customer table, correct? So so if a person is deleted, for now this is restricted. I applied restricted. If a person is deleted from the person table, it checks whether there is any record in the customer related to that person or not. If there is any record, it will warn the user saying that you cannot delete it. If you want to delete it, you have to delete it first from the customer table, then only you can delete. So let's see which customer we have. 789. 789. Let me try to delete it. Are you sure you want to delete all the marked records? Yes. How come it deleted? Restricted, no? Where did we apply it? Oh, sorry. We applied an orders, not customer. So in the orders, just apply the relationship. On delete, restricted. Save it, build it. Now again, you have to do the refresh. I think you got the idea. This is an important concept to remember. This picture will give a overview. So whenever you are trying to relearn again, you can always refer this picture. It helps. Okay. Yeah. 789 customer person. So I will select 456 because this is existing here. Let it refresh. 456. If I try to delete 456, see, it's giving a warning. ANJ person cannot be deleted with dependent. ANJ customer exists. That means this 456 record exists in the dependent customer table. It is giving the warning, right? So in order to perform a delete action, in order to